Don't focus on the pain. Focus on the progress. Blood, sweat, and respect. First two you give, last one you earn. When you walk up to opportunity's door, don't knock it, kick that door in, smile and introduce yourself. Don't be afraid to be ambitious about your goals. Hard work never stops, neither should your dreams. Success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little better than the day before. It all adds up. I like to use the hard times of the past to motivate me today. If something stands between you and your success, move it. Never be denied. In 1995 I had $7 in my pocket and knew two things. I'm broke as hell and one day I won't be. You can achieve anything. Success at anything will always come down to this: focus and effort, and we control both. When life puts you in tough situations, don't say why me. Just say try me. You don't just find the willpower you need. You create it. Remember, when you're good at something you'll tell everyone. When you're great at it they'll tell you. We do today what they won't, so tomorrow we accomplish what they can't. You don't need directions, just point yourself to the top and go. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent, hard work gains success. Greatness will come. Wrestling was like stand-up comedy for me. My goal was never to be the loudest or the craziest. It was to be the most entertaining. Let your actions do your talking for you. My work, my goal, my life, it's like a treadmill. And there's no stop button on my treadmill. Once I get on, I just keep going. Be humble, be hungry, and always be the hardest worker in the room.